Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into something you've probably heard before, the Gayatri Mantra. But we're not just going to talk about its spiritual side. Oh no. We are going to unpack the incredible science that suggests this ancient chant is, well, basically a powerful tool for your mind and your body.
So yeah, you've probably heard it. Maybe in a yoga class, maybe in a meditation app. And it's so easy to just file it away as, a prayer or some kind of spiritual chant. But what if I told you it's actually more like a piece of precision engineering, a tool designed to have a direct physical impact on your brain? What if it's less about faith and more about physics?
The material we're looking at today presents this really wild idea that the Gayatri Mantra is basically a power button for your brain. The argument here isn't just about belief, it's about the very real science of vibration.
Okay, so let's get right into it. The first piece of proof is all about the science of sound. We're going to see how very specific vibrations can actually create a physical effect inside our own bodies.
Now, to get how this works, we have to zoom way in on this tiny but super important part of the brain, the pineal gland. As you can see, this is the main target. Think of it as this little control center in your brain that produces the chemicals that manage your mood, your sleep. Pretty important stuff.
And here's where it gets really cool. Chanting the mantra creates this specific rhythmic vibration. The source material calls it a calculated massage for that pineal gland. So what happens when you massage this gland? Well, it starts to balance out two key chemicals, melatonin, which helps you sleep, and serotonin, which makes you feel happy and calm. The result? You get this almost instant feeling of peace.
So that's what sound can do. But wait, there's more. Our second proof isn't about vibration. It's about something we literally do every single second, breathing. We're about to see how the mantra helps you take control of your body's energy and how you react to stress.
This slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? On one side, you've got the stress state, where most of us live our lives, with high levels of the stress hormone cortisol and a fast, shallow heartbeat. But when you chant the mantra, you have to breathe slowly and deeply. And that simple act, it flips a switch in your body. It activates what's called the rest and digest system. Your heart rate slows, cortisol levels drop. You are literally breathing your way out of stress.
All right, for our third and final proof, we're shifting from the body to the mind. We're going to talk about a concept called mental weightlifting, which is all about building focus in a world that is doing everything it can to distract you. We've all been there, haven't we? The monkey mind. That feeling when your brain just refuses to be quiet. It's jumping from thought to thought, from one worry to the next. It's absolutely exhausting, and it makes it feel impossible to just concentrate on one thing.
So how do you tame that monkey? Well, think of the mantra as a workout for your brain. Every single time your mind wanders off, you gently guide it back to the chant. And each time you do that, it's like doing one rep at the gym for your brain. Over time, this mental weightlifting seriously bulks up your mind's ability to focus. So you see, when you put all three of these things together, the mantra suddenly becomes way more than just a prayer. The source we're looking at calls it a certified power center. And that makes sense, right? It's a complete system using sound, breath, and focus to create real, measurable changes in your body and mind. So let's just do a quick recap of these three powers. First, the sound of the mantra calms your pineal gland. Second, that slow, deep breathing cuts down on the stress hormone, cortisol. And third, repeating the chant is like a workout for your brain, boosting your concentration. Simple, but so powerful. So the next time you hear the Gayatri Mantra, or maybe even chant it yourself, just remember what's happening. You're not just saying old words. You are activating an ancient, scientific power code, a tool literally designed to bring your mind and body into a state of balance, calm, and strength.
And that, of course, leaves us with one last huge question. If a simple mantra can pack in such a powerful scientific system for our well-being, what other ancient secrets are just out there waiting for us to rediscover them with the tools of modern science? Something to think about.